Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to generate sawtooth waveform and triangular waveform. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. So for generating sawtooth waveform, we need repeating sequence block. So double click on here and write repeating sequence. Press enter and here is our repeating sequence block. Then we need a scope. So double click on it and write scope. Press enter and the scope is here. So just add this two. Now double click on repeating sequence block and you can see the time values are 0 and 2 and the output value is 0 and 2. So actually the time values are in x-axis and the output values are in y-axis. So when the value of time is 0, the output will be 0, and when the time is 2, the output is also 2. So press enter and let's run this. So now double click on scope. This is a sawtooth waveform. You can see that when the time is 0, the output is 0. When the time is 2, the output is also 2. From 0, it gradually increases to 2, then again comes to 0, then again gradually increases to 2 like this, and this cycle repeats. Let's try some other values. Double click on repeating sequence and change the value to 0 to 5 and the output values 0 to 4. Press enter and let's run the program. Double click on scope. So you can see when the time is 0, the output is 0. When the time is 5, the output is 4. So in this way we can create a sawtooth waveform. Now we need to generate a triangular waveform. So for sawtooth waveform we just need the 2 points. To generate a triangular waveform we need 3 points. So double click on repeating sequence block and just add some other values. Let's say is 0, 5 and 4. Now for the output values 0, 4 and 0. Press enter and let's run it. Now click on scope. You can see its shape is like a triangle, so it's a triangular wave. So when the time is 0, the output is 0. When the time is 4, the output is 4. And when the time is 5, the output is 0. So here is important point that to generate triangular wave, you should keep in mind that in the output values, first and third value should be the same. If they are not same, it will not be a triangular wave. Let's give you example. If I change the value to 0 to 1, enter and run. Double click on scope. You can see this is not a triangular wave. Like from 0 to 4, then 1, then 5. When the time is 0, so you can see that this is not a proper triangular wave. So when the time is 0, output is 0. When the time is 4, output is 4. When the time is 5, output is 1 and 0 as well. Output is 1. But this is not a proper triangle. So to generate triangular wave, you should keep in mind that the first and third value of output is to be same. So change 0 to 1 and you can see that now the output first and third output value is same, 1, 4 and 1. Now it will be a triangular wave. Just click enter, run, double click on scope. You can see that right now it's a triangular wave. So when the time is 0, output is 0. When the time is 4, output is 4. And when the time is 5, output is 1. And you should also keep in mind that the time values should be gradually increasing. Like here, it starts from 0, then 4, then 5. If you put 0, then 5, then 4, it will show you the error. If I change it from 4 to 6, you can see that it is not gradually increasing, because from 0 it goes to 6, then decreases to 5. So it will show you error. Let's run it. You can see that in the below, this is an error. Okay, so for this you have to keep in mind that the time values should be gradually increasing. So if I put it instead of 6, so if we change it to 0, 3, 5, you can see that it is gradually increasing. So it will, let's run it, double click on scope. You can see now this is a proper triangular wave. So when the time is 0, output is 1. When the time is 3, output is 4. When the time is 5, output is 1. So in this way, you can generate a triangular wave. So let's add some other signals also. So let's sum up some other signals also. Example, as an example, if we add sine wave here, double click on here and write sine wave function, enter, double click on sine wave function, change it, use external signal to use simulation time, press enter and just add it to scope. Now run it, double click on scope. You can see this one is a sine wave and this one is the triangular wave. The sine wave starts from 0 and its amplitude is 1, and in case of triangular wave it starts from 1 and goes to 4. If we add a cos wave also, so double click on here and write sine wave function. So double click on sine wave function, and to convert it to cos wave, double click on here, change use external signal to use simulation time, and we have to change the phase, as there is a phase difference of 90 degree between sine and cos. Write 90 into pi by 180. Press enter and join it to the scope and just run it. Double click on scope. You can see the yellow one is sine wave, the blue one is cos wave, and the red one is triangular wave. Let's change the value of triangular wave to 1 to 0. Double click on repeating sequence and just change the output values. it should be 0, then it should also be 0. Yes, okay. Now run it. Double click on the scope. You can see that the triangular waveform starts from 0, going to 4, and again come to 0. The yellow one is sine wave, starts from 0, has an amplitude 1, and this one is cos wave, starts from 1, and it has also an amplitude of 1. So like this you can generate a sine wave, cos wave, and a triangular wave. So I hope you guys understand how to generate this kind of waves. Thanks for joining us. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.